guys, here are the lashes, and I really like these. They're called Midnight, and they are by the brand Kiss, the Lash Couture. And these are the ones that you can find at the local pharmacy. I got these from Walgreens here in Houston. I went a little bit heavier with my makeup today, and I'm feeling it because I don't know, when I was filming yesterday, I just felt like my face looked like I just said tired. Like I was like, oh, I look tired, I look old, I look tired. So I did a few things different today, and as far as the makeup is concerned, so I did take a little more time with it and not like rush through. I also used my Urban Decay all-nighter that I picked up from Ulta for my foundation. And then what else new did I use? I made sure to use my MAC Fix Plus to break up that dryness, because sometimes I will omit doing the MAC Fix Plus if I feel like, oh, I'm not doing too much, or I don't want to waste it because I'm not really doing anything today, or my makeup didn't come out that great. But I think that helped a little bit too. And then I did a better nose contour. So good morning, dolls. This is an early morning vlog. I don't know that I've ever even vlogged this early. It's just at daybreak, so it's about 7, right at 7 this morning. So my voice is a little bit raspy, but I am headed to get my hair done, and I have a 7:30 a.m. appointment. So I did my best to put a little bit of a face on. That way, once my hair is done, then I would be 100% done. And if I wanted to like move around a little bit, I don't have to be like, oh, I don't have any makeup on, or I need to do this or that. It's just like set. So the hair becomes the piece de la resistance. And yeah, so let me turn this heat down. I am headed to Starbucks because it is early as, and I need a Starbucks. So guys, the sky, if I can get a good view of it, because it is so gorgeous. The sunrise is so gorgeous this morning, you guys, and I live for a good sunrise. It's just so beautiful, so refreshing, and so unique, because it's like every day the sun rises and sets, but in a different way. I mean, it comes up, it comes down, but the sunrise and how the view looks to me can always be different depending on like the cloud coverage and all of that. I got my nails done yesterday, and I got this really pretty pink pop color, which I love. Hold on, let me show you guys the sunrise. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Pause for the cause. This is so pretty. I love it. I'm getting my fave drink, and I've upped the amp with the pumpage, the chai pumpage. You'll hear. Good morning.
What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have a venti iced vanilla chai with 5 extra pumps of chai made with coconut milk and caramel drizzle, please? I want something to eat.
Chai, you said 5 extra pumps of chai?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You say coconut milk?
Yes, and caramel drizzle on top.
You got it.
And that'll be it. Is that too
all right. Go ahead and look at the screen. Tell me if that looks right.
Yes.
Hold on. Let me fix this chai.
Okay.
Yeah, I got that back right. My computer's kind of slow today.
That's okay.
Okay, you can come on through.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, so I am on heavy chai live because it just is everything right now. Hold on a second.
Here you go.
Thank you. I don't have any cash today, so don't kill me. I'll catch you next time. Okay. Bye. Have a good one. If I can get everything in. So what I've been doing, guys, is alternating. Well, not alternating, but I always try to get some water in me before I start going in, like on coffees or anything else. So to do the alkaline waters in the morning first thing, just as I'm breaking my fast, or you know what we would typically call breakfast. I go in with like nothing but the lime water, and I do fruits or juice smoothies, in terms of like juice items, not like fruit juice. I'll come back on once I am done getting styled. So consider this the before. And what am I getting done today? I am having my hair shampooed. I am having some treatments done, and I am having everything like tightened and freshened up so that it can be bossy. It's gonna be curled and just, you know, rebombed. So I'm excited. And another thing I wanted to tell you dolls is that I'm trying a new foundation today, and I'm still gonna be recording for you guys my haul video. I am trying out one of the new foundations that I got last couple of weekends ago, and it is the Kat Von D Locket Tattoo. I am late to the party because this is not a new foundation, but it's my first time trying it, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm hoping that it does what it says it does, and that all the good reviews are true. I had a mom at the school that my kids go to, another mom, she told me about it, and she was saying it's the only thing that she wears, and that she has like some skin issues with like discolorations and like splotchiness, and it's the only thing that like conceals and stays put for her. So I was like, okay, let me try it, even though it's not new. You know, she was raving about it so much. I was like, I have to get a bottle. I did. I think the color match is pretty good. You know, of course it's buried underneath concealer and powder and all of that, but I think the color match is pretty good, like face to chest, face to neck. Like, it's really consistent with my skin tone, and I feel like the color is good. It went on really slick. I never really felt like it locked or set. I don't know if it's supposed to, but I do know that, you know, like my Urban Decay All Nighter, that one does, I can feel that one set in place, and it does get really matte. So I'm not feeling that currently. So I don't know if it's a bit of a longer process or how long it takes to actually lock in. So I'm curious to see that, because right now it feels really like, not runny, but wet. Like my face feels like I just applied the foundation and that it's not set, and I even, you know, spray fix and stuff on it. So we'll see. So I'll let you dolls know how it's holding up. Okay dolls, I am going to insert some clips of, you know, just the outing. It was really loud there. It was music, so I didn't you know, get to do any talking or anything, but you guys got to see the scene. It was super duper good. And now I'm just driving back, so I'm still planning to go do a little bit of shopping, and I would love to take you dolls along. I love the way that this makeup is wearing. This is, like I said, the Kat Von D Locket Tattoo, and I'll have to look and see what shade I am. If you dolls are interested, I can look when I get home and tell you, or you'll see it when I do the haul video, because I'll definitely tell you the shade. So yeah, so it is wearing pretty good, because I sat outside, and I'm still pretty, you know, good. I did have to touch up a little bit with my MAC mineralized skin finish in the color dark, as you guys can see, but I feel like it's wearing just as good, if not, I won't say better, because it's only my first time, and it wasn't too humid, but it's wearing pretty good, just like my Urban Decay, which is my new holy grail product, because I love it. It's like bulletproof, sweat proof in the summertime, so that is like my absolute go-to. But the color payout and everything is good on this, so I'm really digging it. I am digging it. I think it could be one of my staples, but I'm gonna wear it a little bit longer and test it out a little bit more for you guys, and I will let you know, and for myself of course, but for you guys too. My curls kind of felt a little bit, but it's still cute, so I'm just glad that it's done and looking so much better than it did this morning when I saw you guys. So yes, I will take you guys on a little shopping with me later. I hope to be able to go still to Bath and Body Works and to Sephora. Yeah, so I'm just driving. People are driving really, really fast today. I'm not sure what that's all about, but let me try to get over and maneuver and do what I do. It's only one lane. Okay, 610. So it is traffic here in Houston, and it is about 2:30. So it's just like, no matter the time of the day, you will run into some traffic in Houston. And people do not want to let you get over. People are so aggressive with like letting you in. It's like crazy. It's like, what will you lose for letting me in, ma'am or sir? Like, I don't understand the problem, but anyways.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay. That's okay.
I got this right here.
Very easy to pick up the vibes and the energy of other people, be it good or bad. And as individuals that are trying to live our best lives and live in greatness daily, we do not want to be absorbing other people's negative energy and vibes. If we allow other people's energy to seep into us, then it does away and erases all of the positive energy and things that we work so hard to put into ourselves. The positive affirmations, the positive readings, listening to great things. It's just a counterproductive way to expel your energy, your positive vibes really, really quick. So be mindful of the company that you're keeping, the people that you're around, the things you're listening to, what you're watching on Instagram, because it all counts, guys. And you want to make sure that you are a self-sustaining powerhouse full of positive energy only. So hi dolls, another car vlog. I'm just like maxed out on car vlogs, and maybe you guys are too, but I thought that I would vlog for you guys. I'm just sitting here. I just had a fantastic day. It's a little cloudy, so it looks cloudy, a little overcast on the video, but I figured I would come on and chat with you dolls a little bit about today. Yeah, so these are the sunnies that I told you guys I had gotten a long time ago, 2 for 10, or sorry, 2 for 20, but I think they're so cute, and I've had them a year now. These are from like 2 summers ago. And then these are those necklaces that were in the other video, so I'm still rocking with those. But today is just a low-key chill kind of day, like we did the movies earlier, and now we're just kind of chilling around. So I'm still on the Starbucks, and yes, I don't have anything to say, so I'm gonna cut this one very, very short. But I just wanted to say hi to you dolls. Happy Saturday. Infinite skies, we are flying high. These sunglasses I have on today reminded me that just like these sunnies that I see out of them pink and orange and a perceived color, we can do the same things with our life. It struck me that just like we can rose color the atmosphere around us, we can choose to paint and color our lives beautiful as well. Even though we don't have on real sunshades for life, we can put on our imaginary visionary shades and color the world around us rose colored and see things in the positive and focus in on only the positives and block out or shade out all of the negatives. It's a choice, guys, and we can choose to see life the way that we want to see it, either positive or negative. I encourage you guys and myself to see the positive in life, even if you have to put on some rose colored shades, imaginary ones, to block out the negative and focus on the positive.